Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me to see this unboxing of our MFCH August box. I've got a special person with me today helping me with the unboxing. This is a first for me. My daughter Nina has joined me. We're on holiday in the south of France and we thought it'd be fun to do it together. So before Nina, with her beautiful hands, unboxes, just wanted to say that if you took the option for receiving the magazine with your box, then you will have got the July-August edition, which is absolutely stunning. It's a special south of France, wonderful recipes, beautiful gardens, look at this, life goals, and lots of information, and our guide to Nice as well, to Nice and the surrounds, and some really beautiful interiors of houses that are quite close to here actually. And you might notice we're twinning today.
Yay.
We're both wearing watches that were in our May box. If you got our May box, you will have received one of these watches with the interchangeable bracelets. I'm wearing the orange from the orange set, you're wearing the brown from it was a brown and there was a sort of paisley in it, I think.
With flowers.
We still have these available on the boutique, and they have been my summer staple. I have to say, I've been wearing them the whole time.
Mine too.
Your too. Thank you, darling. Great ambassador. Okay, Nina, start unboxing, and then I'll tell you, as Nina unwraps, I'll tell you more about each product.
Okay, this is very exciting at first. As we
first,
said.
yes.
Ooh la la. Gorgeous. Beautiful.
The ribbon, always a beautiful ribbon. We're very picky about our satin ribbons.
Very pretty. So we've got this
Put
little
the brochure to one side. Now,
wow.
what is in here? Let's just tip it up and show what the box looks like.
Lovely.
There we are, because I know it's difficult to get us and the box in the picture. Okay, Nina, what are you going to take out first of all?
So this really feels like Provence, south of France. Thyme.
This is a lovely brand of dried Provence herbs. In your box, you will either have had thyme, oregano, Provence herbs, or basil, I think was the fourth one. Cool. You'll have had one of those in your box. They're organic, they're beautifully packaged, and I'm thinking that when you finish the thyme that's in here, you could even pop some more in and keep the pretty tin in your kitchen.
Indeed. Agreed. Then we have Fleur d'Olivier scented soaps.
Yep, do you want to show what that looks like inside?
Super pretty.
Ooh,
this is nice.
Because Nina hasn't seen any of this, so she
Love
really is
this. I'm
discovering.
really discovering at the same time.
So here's the soap,
and
on its own little
soap holder.
There we go, in a pretty box.
And I can smell.
I've got one of yes, it does smell good.
So good.
And I've got one of these in my kitchen now. I think it's a lovely one to have in the kitchen or in
really,
a guest
really good, this.
or in a guest bathroom. Pretty box.
Lovely. This feels like Christmas.
So this is
cute little MFCH.
Please,
sorry,
please,
pouch. Oh my
MFCH. And this is our antique item.
Ooh. Isn't this pretty? There's two of them. I've taken one for the moment.
So the little antique item, we've got
that's so cute.
two little, this is called a goodie à escargot. They were actually traditionally used, they're made out of this natural coloured clay, earthenware. They were originally used for cooking snails. I think they're super cute, and I think they're just the right size. If you wanted to put them on your dinner table, especially when you're doing a sort of country style dinner, and to make them easy to use, we found for you, sorry Nina, I'm doing the unwrapping, you're meant to be doing the unwrapping. Look, each little goodie gets its own individual mother of pearl spoon.
That's so pretty.
And we thought it would be nice to have salt on your table with these.
So cute.
Yeah, there we are. Salt.
Love it.
So that's your antique item.
Yeah.
So, Nina, what are you going to open next?
I'm going to open this little box, wooden box. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, it slides off.
This is a brand called Jean Dubost. If you've been getting the box for a few years, you'll know that we worked with them, I think a couple of years ago. We got a little wooden board from them with a butter knife, And we've come back to them because they have these really beautiful knife and fork for your cheese board. They're signed with the brand, olive wood handles, and in
Really
an
nice.
own little presentation case so you can keep them safe in your drawer.
Yeah.
And keep them looking pristine. So there we are. That's Jean
Lovely.
Dubos.
So nice. I love the handles. Okay, so what's next? Ooh. Okay. So,
We're in the kitchen. We've got the noise of the dishwasher now. I can't believe that. This is like really
It's
homemade.
okay.
Okay, more olive wood. This beautiful olive wood scoop
so pretty.
by Maison Bérard. Maison Bérard is the one that we work with regularly. We love their products. And the scoop, I think, is great in a big pot of rice or
Salt.
flour, salt. That would be a lot of salt.
No, but in France they do use it for salt.
Flour or rice or beans.
Okay.
Anyway, there we are. Can be,
Very
don't put
nice.
it in the dishwasher, but it can be washed and kept safely.
Okay, next is La Rochère.
La
Very
Rochère.
nice.
Very nice packaging.
So pretty.
You're allowed to unwrap it.
Yeah.
Moving along here.
Sorry. Okay. What do we have here? Oh, we've got little bees on it.
Because it's a butter dish.
So nice. Very
Butter.
nice.
Can you see a little glass butter dish with bees on the top?
Nice.
Yeah. I think this is lovely on a breakfast table. Just a time. You could actually, it's such a good shape, you could even put a bit of jam in here and put it onto your breakfast table. Everything that we're unpacking is going to be available also as individual items in the boutique. So if you had one of these and you're thinking actually like a couple more, just look no further. They're on the boutique. We can ship them to you next week.
Wow, so fast. Okay, next we have this item. I know I'm a bit slow at unwrapping things. Okay, ooh, this is very elegant.
What
Yeah.
would a French kitchen be without some copper?
Yeah,
Beautiful copper ladle, made in Normandy by l'Atelier du Cuivre, the same people who make our lovely copper dome butter dishes, which have been one of our best sellers for years now. We came back to them and said we wanted something special for this box, and so we've given you a beautiful copper ladle.
copper is always
You
cheap.
can maintaining copper there's nothing difficult about it. You can just wash it with your washing up liquid. If you really want it to come back to that shine, then use a proper copper cleaning product. We've got some on the boutique, of course.
Oh, that's helpful. Okay, then what do we have? It looks like we have a really nice cloth.
Not a cloth.
Ooh, this is chic and it goes with the olive theme. Love it. Oh, this must be actually an apron.
Here we are. Pop it on.
Wow, this is
They have
very
to tie
elegant.
It, tie it around your neck for you.
Have to slide it here.
Whoopla. Oh, that's right. It goes. I'm sorry.
This is very
There
nice.
we go.
Very soft fabric.
It's a beautiful cotton apron. You may have got the green colour or the yellow or the butternut orange. Nice pocket. Easy to, you might actually like to wear it a little bit lower. Obviously washable in your machine. And very, it's not too heavy, it's not too stiff. We love
No.
this apron.
Yes, we do.
And the very last thing in the box, Nina, this is a beautiful photo by Jamie Beck. As you
we
know,
love Jamie Beck.
we love Jamie Beck. This year, Jamie is working with us, creating original artwork for each of our boxes. This stunning photo is a single rose head, look Nina,
So pretty.
with a butterfly on it. We printed it for you as a greeting card with her logo on the back. You can use the envelope that we provide and send it as a greeting card, or you can keep it for yourself and frame it. They are frame worthy. If you're getting all 4 boxes this year, you'll have a set of 4 floral themed photos by
Nice.
Jamie by the end of the year.
So it's like 4 frames on the wall. It will look great.
Yeah, 4 frames on the wall. So there we are. What do you think? Do I ask Nina to come back and do another unboxing with me another time? Unfortunately, she and I live quite a long way apart, so it doesn't happen that often. We really hope that you love this August box. We love putting it together. We're already working on the November box, of course. We've also about to launch the sales of our 2023 Advent calendar box.
Ooh, that's exciting.
Which is a much bigger box
Yay.
with 24 gifts in and a retail value of over $1,000. That will be on sale as from September the 1st.
Nice.
We've got a limited number available. First come, first serve.
Hurry up.
There we are. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, my darling.
Well, it was lovely. Very exciting.
For helping me.
Yay.
And thank you for being clients to my French Country Home box. It's an honour to put these together for you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
I think that's pretty cute.
Yeah, I'm sure
Let's
it's
have a
really
look.
cute.
Let's have a look. Ooh, I'm